Hello everyone, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. So we are creating a series of tutorials about different tools available in Revit. One of the tools that we're going to discuss is that symbol. So in that we're going to create a north arrow symbol which is available by default in Revit also, which is not convenient for us to use it. Let's create north arrow, and if you're not subscribed to BIMmodeler, do subscribe and share it with your learning friends so that it will help us also to do more. And with that, generic annotation is the family that you want to start. So go to the new family option and select the template that you want to go with, and you can close the background views, and you can go and make sure that the category is that generic annotation, and you'll have a note here, and you can delete that which is a note, and we have to use the center position from here, and we can go ahead and delete this note. And we have an option to draw the lines, and we can go ahead and draw the lines of the arrow that we needed, and maybe this big, and the shapes that we wanted to create, we can select them, and maybe we can go ahead with 65-degree and like this, and I can go ahead and select here, and I can select these two lines only, and I can mirror it, and I can delete this, and I can select all these lines, and I can change this into invisible line also. And after that I can go ahead and create the fill region, which is off of the fill region is going to be pick line, and I'm going to select these two lines and this line. I'm going to use the trim and extend like this, and I'm going to select this invisible line, and I'll make sure that these and that the fill region is 1, and edit type is solid fill black. Is that what I needed? And I can go ahead and finish it. Now half of the area is white and half of the area is black. I need a text value, and I can go ahead and create text value which is n inside a circle like this, so that it looks like this. And I can create a 2D text from here. I can place, and I make sure that it's a n, and which is aligned with center, and I can place them over exactly like this. I can move it like this. Once these are done, save the family into the desktop, north arrow 1 option 1, and save the family. Load this into the project, and we'll be able to see our hand as we have a plus mark in that place. We can place it wherever we need it like this, and select and we will be able to move it. So where do we have that family? So we'll have all the symbols in the symbols options here, and you can take this, select the arrow that we want and the symbols that we wanted from here, north arrow, and we will be able to place them as we need it. So this is how we will be able to create a north arrow family, and I hope you liked it. The same similar way you will be able to create a different families for even electrical and mechanical symbols, and architectural different symbols you will be able to create using the generic annotation. So with this tutorial, I hope you will be able to learn generic annotations, where do we take that, and how to create them. So do subscribe and share it with your learning friends, and on the LinkedIn it will be helpful much more if you are tagging as or me. So I will be having my LinkedIn ID below. You can follow me on LinkedIn as well. So we do BIM consulting projects, Revit family creations for different manufacturers and AEC consultant. If you are watching this and you want your project you need a families, you can access us, reach us in BIMmodeler.com, and we will be able to create that family in short period of time with our team help. Thank you so much. With that, see you. Bye bye, Raj.